Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Uswatun Hasanah from SMA Negeri 1 Grabagan. I am going to present storytelling Legenda of Ngandong Village. Mbok Andong Sari, mother of Gajah Mada. Mbok Andong Sari or Dewi Endang Sari was the first who opened Ngandong Hill in Ngandong, Grabagan, Tuban, and named it after her own name. In the early years of his ascension, Raden Wijaya has several consorts and concubines. One of his concubines is Dewi Endang Sari, or the local called Dewi Endang Sari. Hearing that the king intended to make Dewi Endang Sari as the main consort, the other consort and concubine were enraged and envious. Dewi Endang Sari they fled to a mountain in northern region. In the scared hermitage, Dewi Endang Sari met Empu Sadah or Ki Gede Sedawaya. He was a renowned weapon maker. His specialized all creeds for royal family. It was not long after her hermitage began, one of the ascetics fell in love with her and interfered with her hermitage. She fell pregnant. She left the kingdom. She arrived right at the place in the middle of the night. After several months, Dewi Endang Sari gave birth to a baby boy. She named her child Jagamada. One day, the mother and the baby needed water. Dewi Endang Sari then placed her son Jagamada under the care of Kucing Chandramorwo and Garangan Putih. She was to a water fountain. Kucing Chandramorwo and Garangan Putih fought side by side and feet of the said that tried to eat baby Mada. Finally, they caught, protected the baby and killed the giant snake. When Jagamada grew up, he asked his mother permission to join Majapahit. In her late years of life, Dewi Endang Sari moved to Gunung Ratu in Ngimbang, Lamongan. Local citizens believe that she died and was buried there. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.